Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to show WhatsApp status to a specific person. The process is straightforward and effortless. Open your WhatsApp application. Once it will be opened, tap on the three lines which are on the top right. And in this pop-up, tap on the last option Settings. And in Settings, tap on this option Privacy. And here you can see the option on the fourth number Status. Tap on it. Here are three options. First option is My Contact. If you set this to My Contact, then without your contacts, no one can be able to see your status on WhatsApp. Second option is My Contact except if I tap on it. And here, tap on this option. Now select your person to which you don't want to show your WhatsApp status. After selecting, tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom right. Then without this person, everyone in your contact list can see your WhatsApp status. Let's go back from here and move to the last option. And it is only shared with, tap on it, and tap on this option One Included. Here you have to select that person to which you want to show you WhatsApp status. If you select one person from here, then that person can see your WhatsApp status, and without that person, no one can be able to see your WhatsApp status. So choose a person and tap on this option. As you can see, I selected one person after selecting tap on this tick option. Now only this person can see my WhatsApp status. So it was the fundamental way by which you can show your WhatsApp, the status to a specific person.